Risk is really important to us, but I guess I would say that we think about it differently than a lot of people. For us, risk isn't necessarily volatility. We're willing to accept volatility if it means higher returns in the long run. And we're willing to take advantage of volatility. For us, risk means looking at other things. So, before we make an investment in a company, we want to have thoroughly analyzed all the risks that could be out there for that company. So we're looking at the competition, we're looking at pricing, we're looking at the balance sheet to see if they're using too much financial leverage. So that sort of thing. So we feel the more work we do, the more understanding we get, the more we can say no before we actually make an investment. And we also find the more we know a company, the more comfortable with it, the more conviction we can have if by chance the market goes down or the stock price goes down. If we feel we really know that company, we can add more. We can buy more and take advantage of the volatility in the market. So that's one big part of risk. Other parts of risks are we hedge our emerging market currency 50%, and we have 35 different holdings. And that's actually quite diversified, especially because we try to make each of our ideas a separate idea. So we try not to buy too much of the same idea. So that means if we think banks are attractive, for instance, we'll try and just pick one bank and go with that. And then the other ideas are something completely different. So that really adds a lot of diversification. Also, we have investments across many different countries, so we're diversified geographically. So those are some of the ways we think about risk. It's different than other people. We're not focused on volatility, but we try and control risk from making sure that we buy good companies at a good discount and really act like business people and do what we think business people would do.
Quality matters. Find out why. Contact your Invesco sales representative today or visit invesco.ca/quality.